Hey guys, Ceiling Fans Rock here, and I want to show you some ceiling fans along here. McDonald's I think used to have some fans in there too. Remember, but those got taken down a long time ago. I'm not sure when they got taken down, but I'm just gonna show you some fans what they have there. Guys, I remember Papayas used to have some fans. Cemetery. Let me show you that. I don't want to get that for you. Oh, IHOP. They have fans there too. I don't know if there's a seagull lighting fans, but they do have some ceiling fans. I don't know. Are they still there? Looks like it's been remodeled or something. Looks like it's been remodeled. You used to have fans there at IHOP. Oh, you have ceiling fans at IHOP at one point. I don't know, maybe the lights are off. I don't know. I can't tell. I don't know why I can't really stop focusing. There we go. Auto parts. There's some fan. I'm not sure what those are, but it's over Springfield. I see a fan. Alright. We are on our way down to the resort, and probably gonna go to Annapolis and work some lighting, just to let you know. Just a little update ahead. I had some appointment. I don't want to get too deep into it. So anyway, church. But I don't know many churches here. There's a church here. Yeah. Here we go. We're on 355. We're going south right now. There's a street light up ahead. That's west. Well, we're not talking about that. That's going on the Interstate channel. I may have to stop the camera here in a minute or two. There's a little pond. It's like a pond or a lake. Pond of it. I guess that's it. See you later. See you. Thanks for watching.